Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and my subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so they're attacking Basti and NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know people and what me I go say right now, you understand? So this story that I'm going to cover, my viewers and subscribers, it is not Jamaica, you understand, but it's in a Caribbean country which is really not too far away from Jamaica and is a country that I go to a lot of times. It's a country that I love so much, my people. Dominican Republic. We understand, for me, one of the most beautiful country, nicest place in the world. You get what I'm saying? And I've been to a lot of different countries, but I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite, my people. No joke about it. So, my viewers and subscribers, what may I say now? Zine, we always talk about friend. And, you know, sometimes people look into life and they say, yo, friend, you know, we are brothers. We're not literally blood brothers, but the way how we grow together from we are young little youth that come up with people, and you know what I mean, we reach up in our age and we are like family. You are my everything. You're close to my family, you're close to my kids. That's how we live, because we are childhood friends coming up with people. You understand? Yeah, man, we do everything together with this and with that. But you never know deep inside, my viewers and subscribers, that friend you have, that one you thought is a brother, imagine he's the one who is going to take you out from earth. He's the one who is going to take your 3 points. Oh my, very low, my precious NEWLINK. So now, my people, with sad information and sad news that went out there, my people, about that deadly incident with them say occurred over there in the Dominican Republic yesterday, my people. While this member of parliament over there, my viewers and subscribers, Orlando George Mira, you understand, was in his office when he was shot and killed, my people. Over 6 times, you understand, he was shot, my people, by a man who them say named Miguel Cruz, my viewers and subscribers, and who them say is a man who is his friend from their child, my people, his childhood friend, like a brother. You understand? And right in his office, my viewers and subscribers, over there in the capital, you understand, of Santo Domingo, in his office, my viewers and subscribers, this man, this politician, Orlando George Mira, my people, you understand, was in his office. You get me, I say, when he was shot and killed. Video clip circulate, my people, and footage where them can see where this man, Miguel Cruz, my people, who is the suspected, you understand, murderer, who assassinate this politician, my people, in his office. And the video clip show when him a walk, my people, them can see where him take a strap and him put it in our luggage where him have my people and him walk with a suitcase. Everybody know that it is his friend, it is brother. Him allow him to do everything, my people, you understand? So if he come and say, I want to see my brother, of course security gonna give him access to go to his office. That's how they live. You understand? Once him say, boom, him a go come to my people. A man go in yard, eat out of 1 plate. You understand? Drink out of 1 cup. You get me, sleep in a bed. That's how they live, my people. And you see what him is the one who take him 3 points. You get what I'm saying, my people? For a lot of people over there, my people, they are saying this man was a great man. He was a great politician. He was basically the minister over there for environment and some other things over there. You understand, my people? And they said he was a great man. He was a nice man. And for a lot of people, they are mourning the loss. If you know, say one of your own take you out, and a person who you that said. But I always say this in life now, my people. It's not the person them who they far away from you, know, or who you not think, you know. You understand? I gotta be the one to take you out a lot of times, you know. And the one them who know you, who know the move them we make, who know every step we take, and they are the easiest one, because them can say, yo, what go on, my G? What's up? What's going on? Where are you now? And you gotta tell him, it's a friend, it's a brother. You're not expect him to hurt you, because you're not pre that. But for me, people, I always pray enough to trust nobody, not trust no one. You understand? Nobody, my people. I say not trust no one. I could have one pitney. Real thing. Not trust nobody. You understand? So for me personally, my people, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to my brothers and sisters over there who was mourning the loss of this politician, my people, Orlando George Mira, over there in the Dominican Republic, my people. And may his soul rest in peace. And for this same thing, I know, my people, because even the man family, you understand, who is Orlando family, they are saying they forgive this man who do this already, my people. They forgive him already who assassinate this politician, because what they are saying, the Orlando, Georgia Mira, the politician people, he's a man who believe in forgiveness, and he's a man who believes enough to carry people in your heart. You understand? Or have up vengeance people in their heart. That's what he believe in, and they just want to practice what he would believe, my people. So they forgive him. You understand? But they will never forget what he has done. You know what I mean, my people? So only Judge sees and he knows, man. Some of viewers and subscribers, just more love, more respect, and more best blessings. And thanks to love, thanks to the support, my people. And yo, this world, it is crazy, my people. Crazy, crazy, man. Stay safe, my people, and just continue to do the right thing. Peace out. Blessings.
Me encuentro en la caseta de la Torre, cerca de Loma del Toro, Sierra de Bauruco. De aquí puedo visualizar el lago Enriquillo que se ve al fondo, y también puede servir para vigilar los incendios forestales que se producen aquí en esta zona. Un sitio maravilloso, espectacular. Estamos trabajando para la debida protección y vigilancia en Sierra de Bauruco. Los planes vienen ahora en enero. Juntos somos más en la defensa y protección de nuestro medio ambiente y recursos naturales.